Hi, another 5-minute workout. We are doing 5-minute lower abs. So you're going to come onto all fours actually to get started. Hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips, and I want you to curl your toes underneath you. Lift your knees so that they're hovering off the ground, okay? Now from here, cat stretch, round your spine, and then arch. So tuck and round. So with the knees hovering, we're getting right into the lower abs here. Arch. One more, round. Tuck, little pulses, knees up, up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees down. Nice job. Roll onto your back. Now you're warmed up. So roll down. When you're ready, find that neutral spine position. Bring the right leg up to tabletop. Again, find neutral spine, keep it. Left leg up. So you're trying not to let your low back arch. All right, we're going to lower the right leg down. Dip your toes, tap the ground, lift it up. Left leg. If you find your back arching, if you can't control this position, then you're going to keep one leg down on the ground and just lift and lower. All right, so this is a little bit more challenging, but make sure you're not causing strain in your low back here. Good. If this is okay for you, you're going to move on to both legs at the same time, lower and lift. So you'll notice for me, I can't go down as far. My back just totally arches, which means I lose the control. So you're only going as much as you can. This is just a progressed position. Last two. Last one. Nice job. Straighten your legs up. Lower the right leg down. And lift. Left leg. And lift. So you're just hovering the opposite leg as you lower it down. Good. Last two. Last one. Lift it up. Good job. We're going to do little reverse crunches here. You're going to feel like you're trying to get the tailbone off the mat. And instead of the legs just going behind you, I want you to feel like you're rolling and lifting, like you could poke a hole in the ceiling with your toes. 3, 2, 1. Stay here. Roll up into a crunch. Reach your fingertips wide and same thing, little lift. You got it. 6 more. 6, 5, 4. Reach, reach, reach. 3, 2, 1. Stay here. Bend your knees. Bring your hands in between and little lift. Lift. So I have my knees apart in a frog position. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower back down. Hug your knees in. Nice job. We're going to straighten the legs up. One more time. Lower both. And lift. Okay, last piece here. Keep the tail down. Keep the back from arching. Only lowering as much as you can control. And exhale down will help. Last two. And last one. Awesome. Hug your knees in. Roll onto your stomach. Legs apart, hands under your shoulders. Press up just for a nice front body stretch. Lower back down. Press up and back for your child's pose. And restack your spine. Great job. I'll see you next time.